Isn't it simply amazing? So go outside, for the nighttime sky has been so mesmerizing. I have spent many hours simply pouring myself into the subtle vibrations of our beloved moon. This is balanced with the morning pulsing sunrise, reminding us of why we are incarnated here in this lifetime. It has been so profound. Do try not to miss this opportunity to moon and sunbathe, for it is a potent mix of whom we are truly becoming. For in the stillness we are guided by spirit. And this saying reminds me of an amazing Aboriginal practice called Dadiri, which is a deep spiritual listening. And I'm going to be sharing this practice with you in my upcoming course on the moon with the amazing medium, Julian Jenkins. Our busy, noise-propelled world rarely grants us the purity and stillness of its essence. However, with practice and knowing, we can purposely bring this stillness inside, deep inside, to the core, to vibrate within every cell of our being. So from the stillness, we see clearly and understand that everything in this world is connected to everything else. Whether viewed through the lens of fact or faith, of science or spirituality, everything melts into oneness. And from this openness, we experience the divine light of love that comes from Source. Sharon Ramel with you from the Humble Couch.